Today I'm going to show you how to convert a Chrome HTML document to PDF in just a few easy steps. This is a super useful trick if you've opened an HTML file in Google Chrome and want to save it as a clean, shareable PDF instead of leaving it as a web page. Whether you want to archive a document, send it by email, or keep a readable copy on your computer, this method works fast and completely inside Chrome. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, load the HTML web page or the Chrome HTML document that you want to convert. This can be a local file from your computer or a web page that's already open in the browser. Make sure the page looks the way you want it to appear in the PDF because the print version is what you'll be saving. Next, open the print menu. On Windows, press Ctrl and P on your keyboard. On some systems, you may also be able to use the browser menu and choose print, but the shortcut is the fastest way. As soon as you do that, the Chrome print window will appear. This is where you control how your document will be saved. Now look for the destination setting. By default, Chrome may show a printer or another output option, but what you want is to change it to a PDF file. Click Change next to Destination and a list of available options will open. From there, select Save as PDF. Once you choose that, Chrome will prepare to convert your HTML page into a PDF instead of sending it to a printer. This step is the key part of the process because it turns your browser content into a downloadable file you can keep, share, or upload anywhere you need. Before saving, take a quick look at the print preview if needed. You can usually check the layout, margins, and page orientation to make sure everything looks correct. If the page is too wide or too long, you may want to adjust the settings so the final PDF looks cleaner and more professional. When you're happy with everything, click Save. Chrome will then ask you where you want to store the file on your computer. Choose the folder or location that makes the most sense for you, give the file a name if needed, and then click Save again. After that, Chrome will generate the PDF file for you automatically. In just a moment, your Chrome HTML page will be converted into a PDF successfully. You can now open the file to check it, share it with others, or upload it wherever you need. And that's it. You've just learned how to convert a Chrome HTML document to PDF using Google Chrome. It's quick, simple, and one of the easiest ways to save a web page as a PDF without extra software. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.